Mist on the water, the dawn holding still. The tide turns softly at the world's own will. Seaweed lies where the night drifts free, golden shadow on the breathing sea. Roots keep secrets the land once knew, salt dark hollow where light falls through. Lantern of shell, a tender glow, she walks the shore where the quiet go. Marna, keeper of the tides, watcher where the old world hides. If you walk gently, if you move with care, the sea will answer you there. To steady your heart, brown for the wisdom that time imparts, red for a love that will stay and stay. Gifts of the tide set in your way. She leaves them where the waters part, for quiet souls and a patient heart. Not for the loud nor the grasping hand, but those who honor sea and